1 2 3 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Just let me know on our chat and we will start. As I can see, yeah, you can hear me. Yeah, I hope so. And I'll show you my screen and we will start to do that. So I'll check it. Here is 10-second pause. Just let me know. Okay, yeah, everything working. Hello, who watching me? I know it's pretty late time, but I'm sorry. This time I just woke up. Yeah. So what we're gonna do today? Actually, I'm thinking about this my project, what I did before. You remember we did this long project already. We're doing like maybe 2 months or around 2 months, yeah. So what we're gonna do today, we have the renders, we have the building, but we still don't have any documentation. And I make this simple like track list what I should to do. Actually, I need to finish this project. I can say I finish project when I will do the schedule. Schedule should include like windows, doors, materials, models, element. Maybe we will include something more. After that, I need documentation, just simple documentation, plan sections, elevation details, tagging. I need the tag everything, and I need the rooms, and I need the stair. And after that, I can say we did final project, not just model. We did final project. So. And I'm thinking like, should I make the tutorials? But you don't like tutorials. And I'm thinking like we can make it on the stream, because on the stream you will have the question, you can ask it. Maybe I did some mistakes, you can say like why you doing like that, and this will be like better for you and better for me, because like interactivity we will get, you will see on the real time what's going on with this project. Okay, so I will start slowly, but if you have the questions you can ask, feel free. It's already midnight time, you can ask without any shy. Okay, so the first thing what I should do, as you can see on my list, I didn't finish my stair. So I will start from the stair. Actually, I'm planning to cover all of this topic. If you have some topic, or if you want to see some topic, just let me know on the comments, on the chat, and I will include to-do list. Okay, so this clear, I think, and I'll start. As you know, when I create this building, I forgot about the stair. I have the place for the stair, but I didn't have the stair. This is terrible. Let's start to create it. First, what I need, actually I need the section. Without the section, create the stair, it's the worst way. I will go to the view and I will create some section view. I don't think about now how it will be looks like my section, because actually this section only for the working. I mean, this is working section, just to check my my stair. We will finish the modeling fast, and after that I will start to do documentation, so no worries about that too. And yes, you will ask me later on, I'm pretty sure, I will post this video on my channel. Yes, I will. So if you wanna go sleep, it's okay, you can go, and tomorrow you will see this video on my channel. What I wanna check this view. Let's go to this view. Oh my god, we have a lot of the work. Yeah, and the other question, I will share with this project or no? Yes, I will share with this project, no worries guys. Later on, when I will finish at all, you will able to download it for free, of course. I not will take any penny from you, no worries about that. Okay, from the 0 level, let's say I'll change to 150. From the 0 level to the level 1, my stair should be go. Okay, so let's go to the level 1. I will find my stair, and from the 0 level to the level 1. To the level 1, I say it's the commercial, private, residential, which one? Let's use the private. And I need create, oh, this is, as you can see, my stair going from the middle. I need to use not from the middle, from the left side or the right side, we will see. Right side. Okay, I need the left side. Okay, here's the left side, and as you can see, my stair is pretty much big. I don't like it. Let's go to 3D, and as you can see, my stair actually it's going. Oh, I understand why. Because my stair have the not right position. So, oh, this is pretty interesting. I need to solve it. Let's go here. I think it's going like that. Let's make it. Oh, it's a bit hard, but we will check it later on. Okay, we will check it later on. I will go to 3D now because I wanna see where's my stair. Here's my stair, but it doesn't look like I want. Okay, where's my section box? I wanna see my section box. Right click, unhide. Where's the unhide and view element? And let's see how it looks like, because I not remember already this building. We did it like long time. We are already doing this building long time. I found it. I found it. Okay, so it's not nice at all. As you can see, here is my wall, and actually it's not enough space for this stair. It should be just straight. Oh, it will be pretty high. Anyway, I will do that. Where's my stair? From that side, where's the left side? From 0 to the 1, and from this part to that part. So how many stairs I need? You cannot see because same color. I need 13 stairs. Yes, from that part to that one. Let's go to the section. Actually now it's rise pretty high. Let's I will check it. Rise now. No, it's okay, so it's not so much. For the private house it's not so much. I'm thinking like it's really huge, but it's not. Okay, I need this riser. Okay, like that. Done, we did our stair finally, and it looks not bad. Okay, so we now can switch to documentation. I don't want to spend really a lot of the time to create my stair, because if you want to spend your time to the stair, you will spend it like months, but we not. Let's go to the level 0, and as you can see here I have like something like a plan. Actually this is drafting plan from last of my project. I did like, I don't know how many time I spent for that, maybe 1 week. Yeah, around 1 week for whole these plans and design everything. And we will do something like that. I not will copy, we will do the something like that. Okay, here is my level. As you can see, here is level 0. And first thing what I wanna do, I wanna create the new type of the plans, because as you can see now all my plans, it's floor plans 0 level 1, level 2, and level 0, right? And I cannot post on my list because this is a working view. I want to create like a design view or views which will go to my list. So let's right click here, duplicate view, just duplicate, and I'll call this view. I will rename it, and I'll call this view level 0 to documentation. I will copy this view too without detailing, rename it to documentation. You have a lot of ways how you can do that, but I don't wanna spend time. This is a small project. I am working alone with this project, so I can do whatever I want. But later on, by the way, if you didn't join my Telegram, I really highly recommend you. This cool, you're Indonesian. I know Bahasa Indonesian just a bit. Actually, I pretty well know the Bahasa Malaysian, but Bahasa Indonesian, sorry. Okay, so this we know. This is our working view. This is our documentation. What different with between the working view and documentation? In working view, you can do whatever you want. You can make everything messy. You can leave it as you want. For example, this working section, you can leave it because this is working section. But on documentation view, you should do that thing. Hide and view element. Done. We don't wanna see anything what not will go to your documentation. The same thing for this road. I will select this road, right click, hide on the view. I don't wanna see on documentation this thing. I don't wanna see elevations on this level or on this view. I will select it, hide on these elements. Okay. And let's see the difference. Here is my documentation, here is my working. As you can see, this is much clearer. Let's continue work. Here we can continue work with to do our documentation more clear. Actually, it's not documentation, but let's say this is documentation. This one I don't need actually for this level, right? So just select it and hide it, because as I said before, this is not documentation. Level 1, let's go to the level 1 and I'll show you the tricky way. As you can see, when you're changing these grids, it's changing everywhere. But on the level 0, I want to change it more closely to my plan. How I can do that more on the right way? Just select your grid, uncheck 3D, and now change position. And now it will change only in this view, nowhere else. Okay, let's see the difference. As you can see, the same, still on the same position, but here it's on the more closely. And I'll change my scale 1 to 50, because I don't know, this is pretty much better for me. The same thing here, I will select all of them, or just one by one. 2D, 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 and 2D. And I'll change position. Change position of that. And last one. This is much better. I don't know, this actually this is about the taste, but on my taste I like that one. But you should follow the rules of your government, of course, when you're doing documentation. Okay, we did it. Let's now work with the graphics. we have a lot of the work with the graphics, as you can see. The pretty one thing, I should do something with this door, because this door now connecting with that door, this is so bad. We should do something with that. And as you can see, we don't have enough the space on this side, so we should do also something here. So let's start one by one. We will start from the graphics first. What we will do, let's go to the first where I will go, for example, I will go to the view, I will go to the visibility graphics, and I will go to the wall. Let's find the wall. Wall. Here is my walls. Okay, all the walls which will be cutted, so our walls it's cutted. The lines will be the lines we will leave as it is, but patterns will be black one. For patterns, I wanna use the black one, like this. Let's say okay, let's apply it. And as you can see, now everything is black. Now I will go to the graphics and I will select on smooth lines, because now it looks more nicely, like more professional. Okay, so and as you can see here I have the lines, but I don't like the lines because as I know here will be dash lines. So what we're gonna do is that we should change also these lines too, but we will do it later on. First I wanna change this type of this family. I will go to the edit family. Let's see the floor plan of this family. I will close everything because I don't wanna see anything. And I need 30 degree of this. Where is that? We should find it. 30 degree, I cannot find it. 45 I need actually. Where is this line? Line is here. Okay, I need to create something like that, but how I can control it, because I don't have any controls here. I don't like the standard families really, because you cannot do anything with that. You should create your own one, it's much better. Okay, with degrees, oh my god, try to find something here, it's really impossible. I just wanna close it, because as you can see, when it's intersect, it's much bad happens. Interior graphics panels. Don't like that one thing. Let's see what we have the options. Actually, we don't have any options. I have the other options. I can make it like that, because this one is so terrible. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Everything alright? Everything alright, I think. Yeah, everything okay. So, and now we should create here the rooms, because now we don't have any rooms here, as you know. I will go to the architecture, I will find here the rooms, and I will create the rooms. And as you can see, I cannot create the room. As you think, why? Because I cannot see my close. Only here. Let's see why. Here is the level 0. Level 0. My room. From the level 0, limit of set 4000 millimeters, base of set 400 millimeters. Okay, so let's say I don't need any tagging. Room placement automatically. And room placed was only one. Hola amigos. I hope I said everything right. Okay. Where is my section? Elevation sections. I will go to the section. I want to check my level actually. My level is 0, going to the 1. Okay, everything alright, but why room's not going on the right place? minus 500. Yeah, it's really interesting. Only that place can be, I mean, only here can be placed. Let's say I'll check room boundary. Here we have room boundary. Sorry, room bounding. I don't have the room bounding. I don't know why. Really interesting. I don't have the room bounding from the external walls. Yeah, this happened. As I said, you can be professional, but sometimes you have so weird problem. So it happens. Everyone doing mistakes, really. No, I know who don't doing mistakes. Who don't do anything. Yeah. So let's make it room boundary. That one. Why this wall don't have the room boundary? I don't know. Somewhere I did mistakes when I created that. Maybe I was have some reason. I don't know what the reason I should have to don't create the room boundary. So one room, the second room, and let's create the rooms. And here one more. Okay, now we have the rooms. Let's back to the level 0 DC. I mean documentation. Now I will go to the color scheme. Actually, I don't like the color scheme. Color scheme it's only to check what's going on with my rooms. Room names. As you can see now I have only one room. Of course I have only one room. And let's call this room. Which rooms I have I already forgot. Let's check. Okay, here I have the bedroom. Bedroom. Let's call it bedroom. Okay. The right store. Here is the store. Here is ensuite. I not will use any families. I mean like toilets or something else. It's not about the toilets or something else. We just working with documentation only today. Bedroom here. Let's find bedroom. Actually, we already have the bedroom. Just check it out like that. Here is the one more bedroom. Again, one more store and bathroom. Here is the bathroom. Here is the store. Here is the corridor. Sometimes you have the problem like I'm here, I have the problem right now. You can see I cannot select my room. Yeah, I found it. Where is that one? This X one. But sometimes you cannot find it. So what you can do? Just select the room and you will see this X. Where is this X? Just select this X after that and change the name of your room. Okay, this hall. We did it. And let's make. Okay, this one wall, room bounding, and room bounding. So, and what is that here? Light. Light where? And the other side also. And let's say I'll put it here. Yeah, room bounding. and let's make it light well here. Okay, we did it. Actually, I don't need the color scheme. I don't like it at all, but we will make it more professional when you have like so colorful doesn't I know everyone doesn't like when it's so colorful like now, but we will make it a bit professional by Pantone. Let's use the Pantone, and I need to use these colors. Okay, like this. Maybe even the gray. I wanna just use the gray colors. As you can see, we have a lot of different gray colors. I will use this gray color. For that one, I will use warm gray. And just use some gray colors. It's really a better one, because the colors actually it's just indicate where is your room, nothing much. And actually professionals not will use the color to find your room. They will use the ID of your room. That's it. You not will see what the colors they're using. Is it purple or white purple, or it's black purple? No, they will say, this is room number something something. Okay, I understand, thank you. And one more. Let's make, yeah, why not this one? Okay, as you can see, it's this pretty same. I will change it to this one, and let's check it. Number 4, let's check it. Everything different, as you can see. Let's apply it. We did it. This is room name now, and we will do by room name. Yeah, actually we can make it more light than now, but it's not so colorful like it was before. I don't like colorful, as I said before. Maybe I will change it later on. I want to make it even more lighter. Okay, so we're done with that. Let's make the tagging. How we can do the tagging? We can create one tag for everything, or we can create one by one. Actually, I will prefer create one by one. Let's use the tagging room, and we have like some tags already on our Revit. Let's check it out which type of the tagging we have, like name, number, and area. I don't need the number of, I need the name, number, and square meter. So as you can see, name, number, metric area. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, where is my number? I cannot see. Here is number. I want to see the number of my room. But here is the square feet. I will use that one, but I will change the square feet to the meters. How I can do that? Here, as you can see inside, we cannot do that. But if we will go to the family inside, here is my square feet. Here is my meters. I don't need square feet. I'll just delete it. Let's load it again back to our project, override, and now everything alright. But number of my room, I don't like when it's starting from the 1. It should be start like, for example, level and number. Let's select that, and let's go inside to my family. I will click on my room number, and I will go to the edit label, and you will find here the number. And as you can see, we have here the sample value, and we have the prefix. As prefix, I want to use my level. Let's use the level. I will say here will be my level. Okay, here is the level suffix, and I don't need any spaces between of that. I want to use only that symbol. Let's say okay. As you can see, it will be something like that. Let's load inside to the project, overwrite existing one, and as you can see now it's much better. Level 0, number 1. Okay, let's improve it again. As you can see, I get the white color around my text. I know 1.8. As you can see, keep readable. I'll uncheck it. and I will do it like that. Let's load inside to the project again, and let's override it. Nothing changed because this is my mistake. I will go back to the here. Okay, here is starting, and it will start from the 0. Okay, let's load inside to the project and override exactly. Okay, this is much better, and I want to use this white background. Let's change it, and this is done with this family. Where is this white background? Show border. I don't want to see. No, it's not show border. Background transparent. Let's load inside to the family, and done. This is what I want. As you can see, level 0, number of the room 01, bedroom, and square meters. Pretty awesome. And let's now create this room tag for all the rooms. You can create like that, for example. Once you will select that, I forgot where is this label. Give me a second. Tag rooms. I forgot where is that. Doesn't matter. Let's put it manually. Okay, here is my store. Here is my room. I prefer do it one by one, but because maybe somewhere I will get some problems. I mean the sum maybe not right, the spelling, maybe the square meters will be not right. So that's why I'm doing it one by one. When you have the small project, I prefer to use like manual things. I mean to do everything manual, because you have the small projects. Okay, as you can see, now our plan become more pretty, right? Because you can see where is your room, you can see the square meters of your room, everything correct. And now we need some simple sizes, not like everywhere, like students like to do. You know that, like students doing like that, everywhere should be size. No, don't do like that, because this is really so stupid. You should have the sizes, only main sizes, between your, for example, your grids, of course. Here you should get the sum size, and as you can see, we cannot now put to the here. We should use to this grid. Okay, this is calling like overall size, so everyone will understand approximately size of your building. And we cannot create from this wall to this wall, as you can see, and we need to create some internal sizes, only just to understand how big is, for example, your room. Okay, as you can see, here I will do for internal wall, but try to make all your sizes on one line. As you can see here, we cannot use that wall, and that's why I'm using that. Let's select it. I don't need this one. Okay, and what I don't like actually right now, first I don't like this white color. Let's select my dimension, and I want to see the opacity background. Where is my background here? Let's find the background. Here, the text background. I want to see transparent. This much better. If you don't like this, you can change, of course, to some opacity and make it white, for example. But I like when it's transparent. And I will show you a bit some difference later on. So let's create first our horizontal one sizes. For example, I want to see the distance on my corridor from this wall to this wall, from this wall to this wall. Don't do everywhere, just main sizes. Okay, here and here. No, I don't want that. And that one. Okay. As you can see, sometimes we get the so bad numbers like that one. Yes, of course, you can make it tricky. I mean, like in AutoCAD or like in, for example, ArchiCAD, but I don't prefer to make it tricky. Really, don't do that. You can make, for example, a bit rounding. For example, when you have like 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter, you can make it rounding. I will do the round. Just I will go inside to this dimension text. Here you will find the units format, uncheck it, and we will make the nearest to 10. Let's say OK. Let's apply it, and as you can see, now we get much better numbers, but we are not tricking because 4 millimeters it's not will change anything. For example, your plasterboard it's 25 millimeters, but you tricking only 4 millimeters, so it's not bad. But the numbers now looking really much. Actually, this building it's reconstructing, and that's why on this building it's never will be like 3100 millimeters, because the building reconstructing actually they are already wrong. It was built before AutoCAD it's born. Like, as you understand, it's everything was measurement by hand and rules. Manually, I mean. Okay, we did it. Let's create some more dimensions, but as I said, not much, just a bit. For example, this store we don't need. As you can see, it's 1 meter by 1 meter. Where we need the dimensions? Okay, we need dimensions, I think, on the light well, somewhere here, and maybe we need somewhere here too, like that. Maybe I want more here. Okay, we're done. So we have dimensions, we have our stair here, but actually what I don't like in my stair, I don't like the stair have the left railing. I will delete it, I don't need it, and I don't have enough the space to the people. Here I should have at least 600 millimeter, but as you know, here I have only 300. I need twice more. So let's make it, because it's really bad. I will say I need 11. Oh, pretty easy. I need 11. 11. Let's inside to this stair. I'll select the stair. Okay, done. Now it should be enough. Let's go to the my section view and let's check it out. Yeah, and the height 250, so it's not bad. It's not good and also not bad. My grandma cannot use this stair, but I can. So this is building reconstructing. As I said, it was the wine storage. So as you understand, for the wine storage, you just keeping only the wine bottles here and nothing else. But now it's bedrooms. Everything changing. Okay, we did it. But one thing, as you can see, what I like actually, the internal dimensions I like when it's smaller than external one. And we will create now new dimension. We will duplicate it. As you can see, we don't have the bigger one, we have only 3.5 millimeters. We will duplicate and we will say this is aerial 4 millimeter diagonal. Let's say OK, and let's change 2.5 to the 4 millimeter, text size to the 4 millimeter, and let's make it bold. Let's say OK, and as you can see, now it's much better. I don't know, for me it's much better. So Now I can see overall size, and after that I can see what's going on inside. Okay, awesome. If you think I will spend the long time to create the same situation on the level 1 and level 2, you are wrong. I will just create now a template. Let's create the template and let's call it, I need to create the new one. Just right click here and create view template from this view. This is our view, like existing one. This one we will transfer to the other levels, and we will call it documentation just, and let's say okay. We will leave as it is. Let's say okay, and now there will be magic. We will go to the level 1. As you can see, pretty messy everything. And now we will apply here the view template documentation. Let's say okay. As you can see, now graphic will come as we want. Now we will just hide the some elements. We don't need this one. We don't need that elements. Hide on this view. Okay, and this one I will leave because we should work with this one. Okay, and we don't have here the rooms. Let's put I don't have the room bounding for all external walls. My god, how come? How I did it? Why I did it? I forgot. Let's check. Yeah, I don't have room boundings for all my external walls. This is terrible. So let's place my rooms. One room, second room, third room. Thank you. I really appreciate. So, oh, one more here. Okay, this one is storage. I hope so. Let's see to the level 0. Where is my ground floor? Here is my ground floor. Okay, here's entrance hall. Let's go here. Where is my X1? Again, I cannot see my room. Where is that? Just click on the room and you will see where is our intersection. Okay, it's here. And this is entrance hall. Okay, here's entrance hall. Let's say okay. Oh, magenta. I don't like this color. Here is the toilet for our guests. Special toilet. We will call it just WC. Study. So this is working place. Okay, and we have kitchen and living room. Hey, where is my X? Kitchen, living room. Okay, we did it. And as you can see, because we have here the different names of my rooms, we have this pretty ugly colors. Let's change it fast. I don't think so, it will take time. We should go to the view. Here I will find them. No, not view. We will go to the room, color scheme, and we will find here the rooms names, and we will change this ugly name. Try to hide category. Yes, I can use that, but I have like few objects. I don't wanna use that one. But thank you. Yeah, guys. Louis really right. If you have like big objects, I mean the big area, and you have a lot of different objects from the one category, use the visual graphic to hide some category. This is pretty simple. If you have like few objects, you can hide it on existing view. So yeah, it's possible. Why not? Thank you, Luis. Okay, here is I wanna use the colors. Let's say we will use the other pants and colors. I don't like magenta at all, because when I will see when I see magenta color, I'm thinking about the AutoCAD. Oh my gosh, so long time I spent for the AutoCAD in university. You cannot believe, guys. You never believe on that. I worked in AutoCAD like 3 years. It was worst years ever. Okay, done. So we have the different. Yes, we have the different. Let's say okay. And yes, I much like that colors, but actually it's a bit dark. But anyway, this is much better than before. Maybe let me, I will spend a bit your time, guys. I wanna make it a bit light. Okay, let's make it like that. This one I will make more lighter. Yeah, I like minimalistic design. Okay, here is much better. Yeah, much better. Now I need the rooms. Let's place our room. Oh no, sorry. Now I need the text. Where is our text? And as you can see, this is really look nice, our text. Without anything. Don't put everything on your text. Just put only main information. As you can see, only main information, and it really looks nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do next? Next, as I said, we will use dimension, and I will use 4.mm for the external one. Okay, from this one, and I should find this point. I will try. This actually it's a bit hard to find it. It's here. I'll put it a bit here. As you can see, it's different direction. Okay, this situation here is a bit different, and as I said, yes, about some right ways. For example, now I'm changing this grids manually from 3D to 2D, but you can change it by section box. You can do that. You can change, for example, by section box. You can change it on the list, or you can do it manually. Choose your variant. On my channel you can see all the variants. Just go and check it. You will find all different ways. For now I'm just using to just simplest way for now, but it's not best way. Believe me, it's really not best way. I can say this is worst way. Anyway, it's something. I'm just changing to make it a bit closely. I don't like when it's so far, you have like small plan and you're trying to place it for A2 list, like trying to cover all your free space. Don't do that. If you want, maybe later on I will show you my school projects, my first work projects, if you want. Yeah, I have the worst accent, I know. Sorry guys for that. I'm trying to improve it, but it's really hard, It's like when you're driving car on the right side all your life, and in one day you're trying to ride on the left side. You're becoming crazy. Okay, so we're done with that. I need a few more dimensions, like here. Again, the hard situation. So what we're gonna do? I will leave as it is, or I will make like I did on the previous level, like that. Okay, so not bad. And we need now internal dimension. Let's use dimension, and now I will use 2.5 millimeters. And as you understand, we need to show the distance in our hole. Let's show it, because our client will ask, oh sorry, can I know how many space have I here? You will say, yeah, of course, no, check my dimensions. This is pretty cool, right? Okay. And here I need also dimension, because it's two different dimensions between that one and that one. Here I don't need any dimension, and actually I need dimension on my bridge. Yes, here is the bridge. Okay, pretty awesome. We did it. Let me think. Okay, done. So what we're gonna do next? Next, as you know, here we have like empty space, like double story, right? I will show you. Let's go to the 3D. Yeah, here, as you can see, we have here like voids. Of course, we should show like this is voids. Let's go to our dimension, and now we will use the lines. Yes, you should use the line. I will use actually the annotate line. Let's go to annotate, and we will find here detail line. Detail line we will change to the dash line. Where is my dash line, hidden line, and dash line? So the hidden line actually is dash line, and let's create it. One and the second, because we should show this is void. Okay, now we understand here is the void. It's not bad. Where's my glasses? It's here. Okay. Actually, now I need using some texture here. So what we can do that? As Louis said, we can make, for example, we can change by the visual graphics of this thing, or we can just use the right click for now. I will use the right click and override graphics. Why? Because I have only 2 objects like that. If you have more than few objects, few it means less than 5 objects, or maybe less than 10 objects, try to make, for example, filters, use visual graphics or something else, because you can forget about your elements. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, this means I have like few objects and I can change the visual graphics on my view. Okay, so okay, surface pattern, I will change it to the grass. Where is my grass? I don't have any grass here. Else I have. I don't want to use the concrete of that. Okay, let's make the solid, and I will make it the green, not so bad green, and I will make it like light green, like that. Let's apply it, and yes, this looks not bad, right? So that's why I'm saying about that. And for that one I will create the same thing, but I forgot the number of this green, I mean the number of this color. Let's say I'll check it out. Let's say I'll add this. Now it's color. Now this color I have on my pattern, and right click, override, the solid fill, and this color. No man, I said this color. Okay, not bad. Now let me think about the external side. we need change it to actually the all my floor which will be outside. So this is a road and bridge will be get the same pattern, and now we will use the filter. So let's go to the view, let's find here the filters, and let's create the new filter. We will call it road filter. So we need now use the floor. Let's find the floor here, df floors. If it will be floor, any floor, just give me a second. If it will be floor, this is end rule. Okay, now let's go to the view template, and where is our documentation? I will go to the graphic. I will find here I will add here the filter, road filter, and if it will be roads, the projection surface pattern will be concrete. Where is my concrete? It's here, and I will leave as it is. I'll say OK, and I'll say OK. And as you can see, now we get concrete. But we have the problem. We get concrete inside also. Why? Because I didn't make my filter some rules for my filter. Let's make it road and bridge only. I will go back to my filter, and I will say if this is road and name, family name equal to road. Let's add one more rule. Is it floor? No, we need one more rule, or it will be family name equal to the bridge. And now it's not working. Oh, I didn't save it. Oh no, I saved it. Oh my god. Actually, this will be end, and that one I will create just new set. Yes, or add rule, name, family name, contain, and that one also contain. Oh, my mistake. Yeah, family name contain road, right? Right. Let me think about it. Так, road filter, family name. Is it family name, right? Yeah, it's this family name, floor road. Floor road, yes. Ends with, or no, constraint is better. Road. Let me think, is it road? Yeah, everything alright, but why it's not working? I should check it. Actually, I can write the comment here, it will be much faster, but I wanna work with only with this floor. Interesting. Floor, this is floor concrete, this is floor road, right. Visual graphic. Oh, view template, manage, documentation, visual graphic, filter, visibility, unapply, apply it. So pattern it's working. Edit filter, equal, actually this is equal to the road. Let's say okay, let's say okay, let's say okay. And again it's not working. I know it's not working. Road, family name, assembly name. Actually it's not family name, this is type name. This is my mistake. Yes, sorry guys, it's for type name. Sometimes I really forgot about that. Here is actually a road 2, so we should change now our filter constraint to the contains, to the road, and we should add one more rule, or add rule, type name, contain, and bridge. So now everything will be work. Yeah, now everything working. As you can see, now our bridge also have the concrete color, and our road also have the concrete color, and that one which calling road 2 also have the concrete color. But now also concrete color have this column, so this is pretty worse. I don't wanna make it that colors. I will just override it. This will be much better and faster. Let's say delete one. Actually it's why I can see true of that. Oh, because the level, as you can see the level, so this worse thing actually. So we will change it later on. It's only about the level. And as you can see, we get here the problem with the wall. Let's see what's going on with this column, because I get it. Was what's going on with the column. Bam. Okay, actually what we can do is this column. Actually that one will go till here. Align. I said align. Okay, if you don't want, just reset this form and attach to that one. Okay, and now align like that one and just trim it. Unjoin elements, and that one just connect with that one. This is much better. This is what I want. Yeah, as you can see, when you're working with the documentation, you still have some problems with your geometry. So it sometimes happen. I don't think so this is problem, but anyway, you should work with that. Okay, with the edit material, we don't have any material here by category. I will change my material. Oh, here is the air. So this is so bad. I want to change my air to the concrete. Okay, and that one I also will change to the concrete. Okay, done. Let's go back to my level. Now we have here something like that, and here is concrete. Yeah, because this is concrete. I will leave like as it is. Okay, done. As you can see, we get already one thing, we get that one, and now I want to work with my glass one. So we have the few ways how we can work with the glass. I will select this panel, and we can edit in place as you want, like that. because this is actually this panels, it's the standard one. And I will create some model lines. I will create the model lines like that. Oh, sorry, actually not model lines, detail line with my assembling line. And I will create one line. I'll copy that like that, and I'll copy one more time like that, and I will select, no, I said I will select these lines, and I will do it twice smaller. Okay, I said all of these lines I wanna move. Okay, yeah, this is what I want. Because here I have the glass. Yeah, I can create the family. I can paste it inside the family. But as I said, I have a really small project. I can control everything manually. Don't put it everywhere, just put it like few on the one place. Like this, like that, and one more like that. Okay, done. Now we understand here is the glass, right? Okay, we finished with that. We have this level already, we done it. But we also will back here to place some dimension of our level. Now I wanna save, of course I wanna save, and I wanna go to the level 2. Let's go to the level 2, and as you can see, here is our roof. I will hide this one. I will hide these elevations on this view. Okay, and now I wanna apply here the view template calling documentation. Done. Now I will transfer it to 2D. I will hide this number 5, and I will make it more close. I think we need only one list because we don't have a lot of the square meters, I mean, and we can put it on the one list. I mean, all documentation will be on the one list. Maybe, I don't know yet. We will do it later on, and I will see. And let's make it close. We will do all the tagging today, no worries. Okay, and here as you can see, my wall, it's not black. Why? Because as you understand, it's not cut. That's why. I don't like these white lines, so what I'm gonna do, I will change it instantly, and I will make it hidden line, like this one. Only 3 of them. This one I wanna hide it. I will use invisible lines. Okay, so much better, because then my water will go on only that sides. Okay, let's use dimensions. The 4 millimeters from this line, this line, and this line. The same thing here. Now we need internal dimension. No, I need from this side, that side, that side, and that side. Done. Don't do much. Okay, not bad. And again, here we have the roof, right? So as you can see, floor, concrete, blah blah blah. You can create the one more filter, or you can do it manually, up to you. If you want, you can create it manually, or you can create it with the filter. I will do manually because I have only one roof. Let's use the override element and not solid, sorry, we need concrete, the gray one. Let's say okay, and done. Here's our roof. Pretty awesome. If you have situation like that, when you have the part of your geometry and you wanna hide it, you have a lot of ways to hide it. But better ways, going to the view, here you will find area plan. Oh, not area plan, sorry, what I'm talking about. Plan region. And let's create here the plan region. But don't forget about plan region, where is that? As you can see, nothing changed, but if you will select the plan region, you have here the view range, and you can change it. And I'll say here's the view range will be bottom side, it will be level 2, and offset will be 1000 millimeter, cut plane will be 2000 millimeter, and top side will be 2300. Nothing changed, so we will increase it. Level depth level 2, 1000 millimeter. Oh, it's so big. Wow, voila. It's a really big one. It's really so big, this wall. Let me check. No, it's actually under that wall, but why I can still see it. Really interesting. Parent, no, it will be level 2. It's we will see unlimited, and here is also unlimited. Yeah, why I can see, because this union wall, and we cannot cut only that part. Yeah, it's my mistake, so forget about this way. You cannot do like that because you have the union wall, so it means it's one big wall. When you have situation like that, you cannot hide, as I said before. So you have like other ways, like annotate, and here you will find the region, masking region, so this will be work properly, but I don't like actually mask region. Anyway, where you need to do that, you can do that. Let's go here, and I will change these lines to the invisible lines. Okay, so done. You cannot see anything. But don't forget about this region, okay? So we're done with that. As you can see, we get clear plan without anything bad details. Okay, and let's go back to the level 1, and we will work now with the floor. Later on we will back to the level 0 and level roof. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we need now spot elevations. As you can see, here's our spot elevation, and as you can see, here's a lot of different spot elevation. Here I have the tag, vertical, what you want, everything. So let's find what we need. Crosshair project, actually I don't know, this is standard one. Oh, Julian Center. Let's find it. Plan. Yeah, this is what I want. Here is 3000, but what 3000 you cannot see. Okay, we will put it here, like this one. Actually, it's a bit strange. Okay, here we will put it. Where's our entrance? We will put it on our entrance, maybe somewhere here, like this. And again, as you can see, now we get the white on the beside on the background. But for this one I will leave as it is. Why? Because actually, oh, greetings from Thailand. This is pretty awesome. Here is 3 meters everywhere. Okay, 3 meters, 3 meters. So I will leave it, but here I will also place 3 meters. Okay. So now you can see everywhere 3 meters. But I wanna change it actually. 3 meters, I don't like actually it. Let's go to the our 3 millimeters. I wanna see the symbol millimeters actually. And I will do it a bit smaller. Let's make it 1. Yeah, this is much better. So, and I will put the one more level. You cannot see it, but now I will go to the level 0, and I will put here my spot elevation too. I need only spot elevation here, and done. We will put one more spot elevation on our light well. Why? Because here is our 0 and here is our 0. Just give me a second. Okay, done. So let's go back to the level 2. And here I will use the slope, because we should show here the slope, because this is roof. Let's use that one, just on the line. Here is no slope, and here is no slope. Done. Now we can clearly see where going our gutter, where going our water. Pretty awesome. And one more thing, I forgot about the lines here, because I also have here the glass, and let's put it like that. Not everywhere, just for these glasses, like this. Let's save it, and let's go back to the stair. Pablo, welcome, welcome. I'm doing everything for you guys, so but don't be shy. If you have the questions, ask me, because now I'm working like with myself only. I'm feeling a bit terrible of that. Oh yeah, we will make the specification too, no worries about that. Let's go to the level 0, and now let's work with the staircase. I will go to the architecture. Here, oh, not architecture, _8. Here I will find these treat numbers, and I will put our treat numbers here. Pretty awesome. Here is my treat numbers. As you can see, orientational vertical one. No, horizontal is better. The back, center, yeah. Back is better. Reference, left corner. No, left corner right. Offset with we will make 100 millimeter. Oh, it's too much. Maybe 1.2. 1.2. Okay, this is much better. Actually, I don't want to see this line here, as you can see. Let's make it invisible. only this line, and I will make invisible this line too, because too much lines, I don't like it. No one likes when it's too much lines. Okay, much better, as you can see. Now we get the numbers. Let's go to the level 1 and we will make the same thing here. Architecture, not annotate the treat numbers like this. Boom. Left one 1.5. Yeah, much better. And I need also the line. Where is going our staircase? Where is the line for the staircase? I forgot about that. Here. Here is downstairs. And let's go back to the level. And here up. So, I need some comments, guys. Do you like it? Do you understand everything? Or you need some special tutorial right now to introduce everything? So, I need your comments. But I will continue right now, but till I'm waiting also your comments. I need to know what you think about it. Okay, so now we will start tagging our doors. And we will start from this level. Tagging category. Why you cannot tag this door? Because we should create our tagging. We will create our tagging, so it's not bad. We can do that. Let's tag it. And this door doesn't have some parameters. Pretty awesome. Which parameter using this family? Let's see. I mean this tag parameter. This tag parameter using the parameter is calling the mark and fire rating. I don't need the fire rating. I need only the mark and what else I need? I need the height. And I need the width. And what I will do? As you can see, it's in inches. Oh, not nice at all. Let's change these numbers to the millimeters. And this one I also will change to millimeters. Okay, how it will be work? It will be like this, and actually it will go to the here 1, here 0, here X. Let's say like that. Let's load it inside to the project. We cannot see now anything, but if I will use this tagging for this other door, you will see difference. Actually, you can see difference, but you will see. Here we have the height of this door. Where is the height of the door? And the second parameter is here. Let's say I'll close the door. Yeah, you should get your own tagging, because when you're working with the standard one, you always have some problems. Yeah, it's happened. We have, Actually, it's not working because it's in inches, but anyway. And the marker working. Oh yeah, here is the number. As you can see, it's working now, but I want to change the type of the data. Let's go here and let's make the nearest 10. And here I will do the nearest 10 too. Let's load inside of the project and let's override it. Yeah, pretty awesome. So we have now, this is door number 5, and as you can see, the size of this door type actually. So let's make it more pretty. We'll do it more prettiest. Then we have it right now. I will change its dimension. I will copy it, and this will be 1.5 millimeters. 1.5 millimeters. 1.5. Let's say OK, and now it's become more smaller. What we're gonna do next? Next, I will go to the create. I will find here the line, and I will do. Actually, I will do like this from the middle one because I want to do it symmetrical. And I will create one more line from that one, like this. Now I will create a few more lines, like one line here, one line here, one here, and one here. This is not nicey. I'm sorry. It's actually like this. I want to make the square. I will use dimension. Okay. Here is 5 millimeter only, and here is 5 millimeter only. Here is the 5, not here, it will be 3, and here will be 4. And now I want to create the chamfer. Let's make the chamfer radius only 1. Done. Let's load it inside of the project. And let's override it. Actually, it's too big. Let's make it more smaller. Let's use it to move. One more. And let's load inside of the project again. Actually, it's also big. Because actually my size of the text here is much bigger than in project. It sometimes happen. I think this will be exactly what we want. We will check it right now. Yeah, pretty close, as you can see. Done. I will leave as it is. So as you can see, now we get the nice number. We know what the type of this door, but as you can see, this is just 5. What is mean 5? We can make this a special parameter for that one. Just select that one, use the prefix, and call it like door, dr, right? Or if you don't want use that one things, you can use, for example, type name or family name as you want. But I will use just the number something. Let's say OK. Let's load inside of the project. I will load with closed. And override. Number 5. Okay, done. And now we can create it everywhere. This door we will do later on. So let's tagging everything. Just go to the annotate, tag all. Here you should choose the tag door tag, and let's use our tag. How it's calling? Ana tag door number and rating. Okay, tag all doors. This one. Let's say okay. Now everywhere we have the number tagging, as you can see. Let's just make it more better than we have right now. Sometimes you can rotate it if you want, if you need it. For example, here I want to rotate it. You can do that. You can, for example, unselect the leader line if you want. Unselect the leader line, and you don't have it right now. I will delete here the I don't need it. And let's make it for that one too, like this. Just go ahead, try to make it more interesting, more better, more readable, because this is documentation, it should be readable. Okay, and one more time, like this, and here. This door I will delete right now because we don't have the special parameters for that, and as you can see, we are already under the finish. So, as you can see, we have a lot of the parameters now today. Now I will finish the level 1, and I think we finish stream for today. So what do you think about, guys, about this stream today? Door, fire rating, let's say okay, and I will use that one. Do you like it or no? Yeah, don't forget about the likes, guys, okay? If you like it, don't forget about the thumbs up on this video, because I'm trying to show you how work in Revit. So we finish with doors finally. The same thing you can work with the windows. You just select, you just can create the windows. I will use the tag category, the window one. I will select that one, and we have, for example, boxed. And we also can create parameters for our window if you want, of course. But don't try to put everything information only in one list, because now we have really a lot of information and we no need to use anymore. I mean, we no need to put everything now here. This is already enough. So I think in the next tutorial, I will check my schedule. What we did tagging, and we did the rooms. So the stairs done, rooms done, tagging done. What under tagging? We plans we finish. We need section, elevation, and details. And the schedule, we don't have any schedule right now. So in the next tutorial and the next stream, we will make the schedule for the all elements in Revit, and we will make the documentation for the section, elevation, and details. So do you like this idea or no? If you have some idea, let me know. I will include to my plan for the next stream. But for today it's finished. So as I said, I will share with this model only when I will finish. So once I will finish this model at all, I will share with you, and you will use it, for example, for your own project. For today it's finished. You have like 5 minutes to ask something, and I will finish the stream. I need the save. I forgot the save. I really like this plan. I don't know why, because maybe it's minimalistic, so. As you can see, you don't need to rush when you're creating some plans in Revit. You don't need to rush, just work smooth. You just creating the text, you creating the numbers, dimensions, once you will create it, you will able use it to the all your working stage in this project. So just spend time to create it. Don't try to make it instance, or don't use the text. Sometimes I can see the people using the text instead to create the parameter or create the family. Better to create family, and yes, you will spend much time than just the text, but after that you will able use it everywhere on your project. So this much better. So it's calling automatize your work. Okay, I think you don't have any questions, guys. Thank you for watching me, and I think see you next time. As I said, don't forget about the likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and see you next time.